I'm Dr. Karen Sutherland, social media researcher and lecturer at the University of the Sunshine Coast. Last year, I won a USC Advance Award for Quality Teaching with a video entry that I produced with my smartphone. In this video, I'll take you through the 3 key steps that I use to complete this process. I hope you find it helpful. Step 1 is preparation, also known as pre-production. Preparing well before you shoot will save you lots of time later. To plan effectively, you need to prepare exactly what the audience is going to hear. Write down exactly what you're going to say to address the key criteria. Keep it succinct and to the point. If you use this for voiceover, you can add visual information as supportive evidence. It can be less daunting and more time effective to only appear on camera at the beginning and at the end of the video to give it a personable touch. Next, prepare exactly what the audience is going to see. Find visual evidence to support the key points you are making when addressing the entry criteria. Use quotes, graphs, statistics, testimonials, etc., whatever is visually appealing and helps to build your case. Don't read the visuals word for word. The audience can do that for themselves. The evidence is there to add to your voiceover. Don't let it become your voiceover. Now that you know what the audience is going to hear and see, organize this information into a video script. Like this one. It has 4 columns, the shot number, a description of what will be on the screen, the timing of the shot, and the audio for each shot. This helps you to see how your video will be organised to tell a logical story and will help you to stay on track when filming and editing. Don't forget to time this script to make sure that it is within the specified limit and check that you have properly addressed each criteria. Now it's time to begin the next step. Production. When using your smartphone to record your entry, please make sure that your phone is charged and in flight mode to prevent anyone calling or texting and interrupting your shoot. The audio must be clear. The sound is the most important part of the video. Make sure that you can be heard. The camera must be steady and the shot must be straight. You can now buy smartphone tripods from places like Kmart for around $5, or you can use some books on which to balance your phone. I recommend shooting in landscape and testing the shot until its composition, lighting and audio are right. The shot needs to be well lit. It's important to be able to see you if you are speaking to the camera. Natural light works best. When recording yourself speaking to the camera, make the beginning and ending brief so you don't need to rely on a script. Smile, look directly at the camera and speak warmly to the judges. Record the voiceover using the video or audio recorder on your phone. Try not to speak too quickly and remember to speak to the judges with enthusiasm and a smile in your voice. They're not going to be excited about your entry if you're not. Once you've recorded everything, you can move on to the final stage, editing or post-production. It's time to bring out that video script again and the visual evidence from the preparation stage. Pick your editing tool. I like to use WeVideo. It's user-friendly, has an app so you can edit directly using your smartphone, and has great features such as titles and music. It is free, or you can pay a small fee for more features, but really whatever you use is up to you. Transfer your files from your phone to your computer if you're not going to edit using an app on your phone. Use Dropbox, Google Drive or iCloud because the files can be too large to email. Then import the files into your chosen editing tool. Arrange the elements of your video in order according to your video script. Create titles using the tools within your chosen video editor. Make sure that your final video is within the time limit and adjust where necessary. Once you have finished editing the video, upload it to YouTube. Create a channel if you don't already have one. Make sure that you upload it as an unlisted video if you don't want it to be searchable. However, don't list it as private because the judges will not be able to see it. And don't forget to submit your YouTube video link with your entry. Well, in a nutshell, that's how to produce a smartphone video award entry. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with me, and I've put a list of useful resources in the information section below this video. Good luck with your entry.